Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 12. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure all these three buttons are working. You're up, down, you're locked. Continue. First thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until your phone turns off, until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. You can now let go. And there you guys go. Your phone has been force resetted.